How shall we preserve ourselves in love? Jesus said in Luke chapter
Ahoana ny
16,
fomba hitehirizantsika ny tenantsika ao amin'ny fitiavana? Izao no
Luke
lazain'i Jesosy ao
16
amin'ny Luka toko fahaenina ambin'ny folo. Luka toko
and
fahaenina ambin'ny folo.
verse 13.
Andininy fahatelo ambin'ny folo.
No servant, this is a very important verse, and
Tsy
I'll
misy
tell you
mpanompo.
something.
Tena
You will
andininy lehibe
almost
tokoa
never
io
hear anybody
filaza
preach
zavatra
on this
aminareo ao.
verse in the
Saika tsy
rest of
misy olona
Christendom
mitory teny momba an'io andininy
and
io
explain
any
it
amin'ny fiangonana samihafa.
the way
Na
I'm going to
manazava
explain it to
azy
you now.
amin'izao fomba
No servant
hanazavako
can
azy
serve two
izao.
masters.
Tsy misy mpanompo mahay
And the two
manompo tompo
masters are
roa,
not God and Satan.
ary ny tompo anankiroa dia tsy
Nobody
Andriamanitra sy
imagines that they
Satana
can serve
akory.
God and
Tsy
Satan.
misy olona mieritreritra an'izany hoe
The two
afaka sady
masters
manompo
are God
an'Andriamanitra izy
and wealth.
no manompo
Read verse
an'ny
13.
Satana.
See what
Ny
Jesus said.
tompo roa
There
dia
are only
Andriamanitra
two
sy ny
masters,
hareny.
he said, not three.
Vakio ny andininy fahatelo
Satan
ambin'ny
is the
folo.
master for many
Ino
people in
no
the world,
lazain'i
but for a
Jesosy?
Christian, he's talking about
Anankiroa ihany ny
those who
tompo
are his
izy fa tsy
disciples. There are only
anankitelo.
two
Satana
masters
dia tompo
challenging
ho an'ny olona
a
maro be eto
Christian.
an-tany fa tsy tompo izy ho an'ny
You
kristianina.
Christians will
Ireo
never
mpianana
serve
angeny
the
no
devil.
iresany an'izany.
Impossible.
Tsy misy afa-tsy tompo anankiroa izay miaiky ny
But it's very
kristianina.
possible that you
Ianao raha
can try to
kristianina dia
serve
tsy hanompo
God and
devoly
money
mihitsy.
at the same
Tsy izy
time.
izany. Kanefa ny tena mety izy dia izao. Hiezaky ny hanompo an'Andriamanitra ianao
And
mandritra ny
it says
fotoana
no
izany
servant
tokonao
can
ihany
serve
koa ny
two
vola.
masters
Ary izao ny voalaza. Tsy
because
misy
he will
mpanompo
hate
mahay
one and
manompo
love the
tompo
other.
roa satria ny anankiray
It's
ho
not that
alany
he will
ary ny
love
anankiray
one
ho
more
tiany.
than the other. It's not saying
Fa
I
tsy hoe
love God
akory
more
ny
than
iray ho
money.
tiany
That
kokoa
sounds
noho
so
ilay anankiray.
spiritual.
Tsy miteny izy hoe Andriamanitra no
Yes,
tiako
I
kokoa
love
noho ny
Jesus
vola.
much more
Ohatra ny
than I
tena
love money.
ara-panahy izany raha henona.
It's like a wife telling her husband, I
Ny
love that
fitiavako
man,
an'i
but I
Jesosy
love
dia
you
mihoatra
more.
lavitra noho ny fitiavako vola. Tahaka ny
Would you
vehivavy
be happy
miteny
with
amin'ny
that?
vadiny hoe
You
tiako
husbands?
iny lehilahy iny kanefa ianao mbola
You
tiako
ask your
kokoa.
wife, do you love that man
Mahafaly
also?
anao ve
Yes, I
izany?
love him
Ianareo
also.
lehilahy,
I love you more.
anontanianareo ny vadinareo. Tianao koa ve iny lehilahy iny? Ie,
Harlot,
tiako
prostitute.
kokoa iny fa ianao no tiako kokoa. Vehivavy janga, mpivary
You
tena.
cannot say, I love money, but I love Jesus more.
Tsy azonao atao ny miteny hoe
And
tiako
all
ny
of you who
vola
are
fa
living like
Jesosy
that,
mbola
I want to
tiako
say to you
kokoa.
in Jesus'
Ary
name, you
ianareo
got the
rehetra izay
spirit of
miaina
the
tahaka izany
harlot.
dia te-hiteny aminareo ao amin'ny anaran'i Jesosy.
You won't
Manana
hear
ny
that in
fanahy
another
vehivavy
church
janga ianareo.
because they
Tsy
want your
eno
money.
an'izany any amin'ny
We
fiangonana hafa
don't want
ianareo
it.
satria ny volanareo no tadiavina. Izahay tsy mitady ny volanareo.